I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to use the green screen video app on an Android device. So it looks like this right here, this little green screen video app. It's $1.99 on the Play Store, and once you purchase it, you can use it with a green background or a blue background to create awesome green screen videos. So what you'll want to do first is when you click those three lines, you can choose between a green black background and a blue background, and you have the option of both choosing from pre-made backdrops that they have. Here's what some of their pre-made backdrops look like. Or you can choose one from your gallery. And for this example, we'll just pull up some Girl Scout cookies. And it's on back camera right now, but you can also switch it to your front camera and see my face. Okay, so now that I've selected my background, once it finds that green or that blue fabric, as you see here, it's starting to load wherever that image is. So everything that's green on that green or blue screen will show up with the image you selected. And if I switch the camera to front camera, we can do the same thing. And there again are those cookies on that green screen fabric. Once you've found the background that you wanted, you basically click record, the little red button, to record your video, and then save it, and then you can load it into your computer or whatever video editing software that you want to use.